Hey guys, my name is Shauna. I gotta speak a lot more louder. But today I got a new Fidget spinner because my other one broke. So my other one broke. I made a video of Rip Fidget spinner. That's the video that my Fidget spinner broke. Now I got a new one. It's an LED light Fidget spinner. So when you press on these buttons, oh wait, we gotta just turn off the freaking lights. There we go. I'm 6 years old. I can't be able to reach, so that's why I'm climbing up there. So if you press these white button here, oh wait, kapow! Did you see that? You can also press it for other white buttons, and boom. Dude, let's take a spin, alright? I want to take a spin. Look! It's awesome! And you can also change it in different modes as well, which I will show you now. You can change it to a medium fast, like this. Is this medium fast? No. This was a medium fast. You can change it to medium fast. Oh my god, the camera is blinking. The camera will blink. The whole area is blinking. If I feel like my eyes are blinking, the camera is blinking. It's weird. Alright, 3, 2, 1, spin. Ooh, did you see that? I bought this on Amazon.in. It was like 145. It's a 2-flex fidget spinner, LED, and it can last really long. Now this is super slow. Let's try out super slow. I know you guys might take it, but it will make some balls on the fidget spinner. Look at this. Did you see those? You see those these colory marble thingies? Look at these. Look at those balls. That's crazy. Alright, switch out the light. Press the white button again. That was the best whisper. And can also last really long, and it's a 2-flex. See you guys next time. Bye. Also leave the like on the video, ring the notification bell. And subscribe. Bye.
Light on. That's it.
Oh. Turn back the lights on. Forgot about that. Okay. See, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave a like on the video and subscribe. Ring the notification bell. And I'm gonna do a giveaway of this, but I'm not gonna do it. But I'm not gonna give it. What I just wanted to do is just get more views. So see you guys next part. Bye.